Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar and I am presenting you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So let's begin. And friends, watch the video till the end and be sure that you are not missing out any of your relevant job opportunities. The first vacancy is from Institute of Banking Personnel Selection for the recruitment of 1557 CRP clerks. The educational qualification asked is a bachelor's degree. The upper age limit is 28 years. And friends, the package would be around 2.5 lakhs gross. You have to apply online from IBPS website by 23rd September 2020. Friends, there are 11 participating banks like Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Punjab Sind Bank, etc. So friends, those who are graduates and meet the necessary age requirements can go ahead and apply for these vacancies. And all the best. Next vacancy is from Safdarjung Hospital, which is under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for the recruitment of one post of accounts officer. The upper age limit to apply for this post is friends 56 years. It's a post on transfer or deputation post for serving government officers holding analogous posts in any of the organized accounts or audit department. The package would be around 8.5 lakhs and it's an offline mode of application to be done by 19th October 2020. Next vacancy is from Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change for the recruitment of two posts of assistants. The educational qualification asked is a bachelor's degree. The upper age limit is 56 years. Again a post on deputation friends for serving government officials holding analogous post or having 6 years of regular service in level 4. The package would be around 6.8 lakhs gross. Friends, it's an offline mode of application to be done by 30th September 2020. Next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of one post of upper divisional clerk. The educational qualification asked is a bachelor's degree. Age limit is 56 years. Again a post of deputation friends for serving government officials holding analogous post or having 8 years regular service as lower divisional clerk or equivalent. The package would be around 5.5 lakhs gross. It's an offline mode of application to be done by 30th September 2020. Next vacancy is from NHPC Limited, a Maniratna company for the recruitment of 22 posts of trainee officer finance. The educational qualification asked is a chartered accountant or cost and management accountant. The age limit is 30 years friends. It's a permanent post and the package would be around 11 lakhs. You have to apply online from NHPC website by 20th September 2020. Again an excellent opportunity friends for CACMAs to begin your career with a world-class PSU like NHPC Limited. Next vacancy is from National Housing Bank, which is a Government of India owned entity for the recruitment of 4 posts of assistant manager. The educational qualification asked is a chartered accountant or cost and management accountant or company secretary or bachelor's degree in any discipline. The upper age limit is 30 years. It's a permanent nature of employment post and you don't need to have any experience to apply for these posts. The package would be around 5.8 lakhs gross. It's an online mode of application to be done by 18th September 2020. A gentle reminder friends, those who have applied for SEBI Grade A officer exam and are looking for quality contents to practice the technical syllabus, please visit our website financemcq.in where we are presenting 2000 plus subject-wise, topic-wise MCQ questions to practice. We have added explanations for correct answers wherever required. Apart from these, we are also presenting 25 national level test series covering the entire technical syllabus for more and more practice. So please do visit once financemcq.in. Moving ahead, the next vacancy is from All India Institute of Medical Science, Kalyani, I think which is there in West Bengal for the recruitment of one post of financial advisor. The age limit is 56 years. Again a post on deputation friends for officers holding analogous post or having 5 years of experience in 7600 grade pay or 10 years of experience in 6600 grade pay. The package would be around 23 lakhs and you have to apply offline by 5th October 2020. Next vacancy is from Appellate Tribunal SAFEMA, which is the Smugglers and Foreign Exchange Management Act 1976 for the recruitment of one post of assistant. Friends, the upper age limit is 56 years and it's a post either on deputation or absorption depending upon the applicants. The experience asked is officials holding analogous post or having 5 years of experience as upper divisional clerk. The package would be 6.8 lakhs gross. It's an offline mode of application to be done by 20th October 2020. Next vacancy is again from the same organization for the recruitment of one post of upper divisional clerk. It's again a post on deputation or absorption. The upper limit is 56 years and the experience asked is officials holding analogous post or having 8 years as lower divisional clerks. The package would be 5 lakhs and you have to apply offline by 20th October 2020. Next vacancy is from Bureau of Energy Efficiency, a statutory body under Ministry of Power, Government of India. For the recruitment of one post of accountant, the educational qualification asked is bachelor's degree, upper age limit is 30 years, and the nature of employment either will be a permanent or deputation, depending upon, of course, the number of applicants or the quality of applicants received by Bureau of Energy Efficiency. The experience is 5 years. The package would be 6.8 lakhs gross, and you have to apply offline by 20th October 2020. Next vacancy is from Bureau of India Standards, which is a statutory body under Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Government of India, for the recruitment of two posts of Assistant Director Administration and Finance. Friends, for Assistant Director Finance, the qualification asked is either a CA, CMA, SAS Accountant or MBA Finance. The upper age limit is 35 years, it's a permanent post, friends, and the experience asked is 3 years in government sector. The package would be around 11 lakhs. Friends, it's an online mode of application to be done by 26 September 2020. Friends, all the vacancies which we are showing in this video, the direct link to apply for these vacancies is shown in the description box below. So those who are interested can directly click there and apply for these vacancies. Next vacancy is from National E-Governance Division, which is under Department of Electronics and Information Technology, for the recruitment of one post of Director, Finance and Project Appraisal. Educational qualification asked is a bachelor's degree, and desirable is CA, CMA or MBA. Friends, the upper limit is 58 years. It's a post on deputation for officers holding analogous post or having 3 years of experience in grade pay of rupees 8,900 or 5 years of experience in grade pay of 8,700. The package would be around 26.8 lakhs gross. It's an offline mode of application. The documents have to reach National E-Governance Division by 5th October 2020. Next vacancy is from Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, for recruitment of Officer Company Secretary. Friends, the educational qualification asked is Associate Member of ICSI and graduation with 60% marks. Friends, there are two vacancies. The upper age limit is 30 years and it's a permanent post. Friends, the experience asked is 3 years and the package would be 17.87 lakhs gross. Friends, again an online mode of application to be done by 16th October 2020. So an opportunity for our CS professional colleagues. So thank you, friends. That's all for this week, and those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like and share with your friends and someone whom you think this video might be useful. So let's meet up next week. Till then, take care. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.